Greetings of the day. In this video lecture for BCom fourth semester in financial accounting, we will start with the portion of numerical. In this segment, we will discuss about the how to calculate valuation of goodwill by using simple adjusted average profit method. So what the question says that in the earlier videos, what we have seen the formulas which are used for the purpose of the calculation of valuation of goodwill. In this lecture, we will start with applying the same. First of all, we will start with simple average profit adjusted method. So what the question says is written on the blackboard. Along with this, in the description box of the video, the link of the question is attached for your reference. You can also refer it there, but the important things related to the question are been noted down on the board. What the question says that we have been given the profit of last 3 years for a company, that is now for 1991 and 92 it was 70,000, for 92 and 93 it is 72,000, for 1991-92 it is 70,000, 92-93 it is 72,000, and for the year 93-94 it is 69,000. These are the past 3 years profit of the company. Along with that, other relevant information related to this is given into the paragraph. First important information is that in the year 1991-92 profit includes profit on sale of machine, that is of rupees 3,000. Similarly, in the year 1992 and 93 profit derived after adjusting or after adjustment of loss by fire of rupees 4,000. Next thing is given that the rent contract of our company has been expired, that tenancy contract has been expired. That is why there would be rent enhancement by rupees 3,000 per month, that is futuristic. Then goodwill is to be estimated at 2-year profit, 2-year purchases. That is what is given into the question. On the basis of these information, we are being asked to calculate value of goodwill. First of all, what we have to do, we have to derive at the average profit. But for the purpose of deriving at the average profit, we have to first of all calculate the exact profit from the operating activities of the businesses. What we are seeing here is something different, that in the year 91-92 we have an abnormal profit because there was a profit on sale of machine of rupees 3,000, which is not an operating activity. Again, in the year 1992-93 there was a loss by fire of rupees 4,000, which is again an what we can say abnormal loss. Then rent enhancement by rupees 300 per month would be considered as the futuristic expenses because the agreement has been expired today. Hence, for future there would be an additional expenditure of rupees 3,000. That is what is given into the question. So write down solution. We will form the solution. We would follow just it by table format so that we can see and derive at the solution properly. We would make 3 columns, 1 for particulars and 2 for amount. First of all, we will take net profit for the year 1991-92. It is being given for rupees 70,000. We will put it into the inner column, out of which this profit of 91-92, that is 70,000, includes profit on sale of machine of rupees 3,000. It is been added to it, hence we will subtract it, less profit on sale of machine. Why it is been deducted? To derive at original operating profit. This is net profit including all the adjustment. Here we have to deduct abnormal income or extraordinary income from the business. Hence we are deducting it. It is by rupees 3,000. So our actual operating profit for the year 91-92 is 67,000. Similarly, for the year, net profit for the year 9293 is of rupees 72,000. In this 72,000 there was a loss adjustment of rupees 4,000. As it was a loss, hence we all know that it would be deducted from the profit, hence we have to add it here. Add loss by fire, so that we can arrive at an actual operating profit 4,000. Hence our net profit for the year 92-93 is rupees 74,000. Then for the last year, net profit for 1993 and 94, there is no adjustment has been provided into the question, hence we will take it as it is, that is 69,000. This is what is the total profit of ours in the from the previous segment. Now we have to make total. Two lakh 10,000. The total here is 76,000. 72,000 plus what we can 4,000, 76,000. Hence our total profit for last 3 years would be 2,12,000. 2,12,000. This is our total profit. What we are to calculate? We have to calculate average profit. How we can calculate average profit? So for the purpose of calculation of average profit, we would write it here as annual average profit. So 2,12,000 divided by 3. 2,12,000 divided by 3. 2,12,000, that was the total profit of 3 years. Hence it is divided by 3 by using the same formula. Our answer would be 70,666.6666. Hence we have rounded up at 70,667 rupees. Along with that, we are done with this adjustment. But now there is a rent enhancement by rupees 300 per month as contract has expired. So it would be a futuristic expenditure. Therefore we have to deduct it because it is an expenditure. Hence we have to less it by the name of adjustment or additional rent. To be paid in future. Why it is to be paid in future? Because the contract has expired, hence there would be an enhancement by rupees 300 per month. In a year there are 12 months, therefore 300 into 12 is equals to 3,600. As it is an expenditure, hence it is needed to be deducted from average annual profit, that is 70,667 minus 3,600 will equals to 67,067. 67,067. This is our future maintainable profit, which we have also written in formula as FMP. Why it is future maintainable profit? Because we have included the additional rent to be paid in future. Suppose that if this adjustment not was there, then we would calculate on the basis of annual average profit. But as futuristic expenditure was given to us, hence we have calculated future maintainable profit. Now we have to calculate value of goodwill. Value of goodwill is equals to future maintainable profit multiplied by number of year purchase. Future maintainable profit is of rupees 67,067 into number of year of purchase. Here it is given for 2 years multiplied by 2. Hence our goodwill would be 1,34,134. 1,34,134. Quite simple method. We can have a quick snap on it. What we have seen, we have been given profit for 3 years. We have derived actual operating profit by deducting or by adding the income and expenditure respectively from the respective heads. For example, for the year 91-92, profit was added into this net profit, hence we have deducted. Again, in the next year, there was a loss which was deducted from original profit, hence we have added it, and we have arrived at the proper operating net profit for the 3 years. After that, what we have get annual average profit, but along with that there was an additional adjustment related to the rent for future, hence we have deducted that rent as an enhancement from our profit, and we get our future maintainable profit. As soon as we get our future maintainable profit, we have multiplied it by number of year of purchases, and we get our value of goodwill, that is 1,34,134. This is it for this lecture. Until next lecture, stay tuned. Thank you.